If you're not using an AI avatar digital twin to scale your content in 2025, you're falling behind. It's no longer a gimmick, it's leverage. You can clone yourself and create videos on demand without having to film all the time. And the best tool to do it, it's called Virbo. In this video, I'll show you how to build your own AI avatar, feed it scripts using ChatGPT or Virbo's AI writer, and turn that into short form content for YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Reels fast. And if you follow the steps I show you, most people won't even realize it's not really you. Coaches, creators, service businesses, if you sell anything online or want to build trust at scale, this is how you show up everywhere without burning out. The first step is to create an account with Wondershare Virbo, and it's free to get started. So use the link in the description or pin comment below, and using that link will give you extra credits when you join up. Once at Virbo, come over to Start Online for free, and then you can join up here with a Google account or email address, whichever suits, and you get access to all of these free usages, in addition to the ones from using my link. Once logged in, come down to Avatars, and then click Create Avatar. And you can see here, the first time is free, and then you get some free usage credits, so you can really give it a go. So we'll go ahead and click that one. Here we come to the upload your footage screen where you create your digital twin avatar template. And I've prepared a guide on how to record your digital twin or template, and you can find that later in the video. So for now, I'm going to upload my fourth template, which is the most flamboyant. Now, with the free version, you can't upload 4K videos, so I'm going to show you how we do it with a 720p video, that's lower resolution. Template 4, which is this one here, and this goes for about 3 minutes. You don't need to do it that long, but I have for this one. So that's ready for processing, so let's upload that one. Give it a name, Tim Harris 1, and that's uploading. Let's come back when it's finished. Okay, there's a feature here called automatically clone voice from video. Now you can tick this box here to get your voice automatically cloned right now, so it's killing two birds with one stone. It's your AI avatar and your AI voice, but later on I'll show you a different way to clone your voice, which gives you more options down the line. So let's select that one there and keep the audio language as English. We'll tick this box here as well and wait for the avatar to finish uploading. Okay, that's finished. Next step is to click the Create Avatar button. Then Virbo will take care of the avatar training. So this will take a bit of time, but essentially what it's doing is taking your video and train the software to create your AI avatar. Once created, this avatar will become your content engine, where you can use it with any script to create unlimited videos. While we wait for that to train, let's go over the script generation with AI process. And there's two main ways to do this. You could use the trusty old ChatGPT, or there's even a built-in AI script generator inside Virbo, which I'll show you in a minute. But for this application, we're going to create a YouTube short out of an existing 5-minute video that I've got. I'll take the transcript, give ChatGPT a prompt like this, turn this into a viral 1-minute script with a bold hook, a quick tease, then straight into the value, perfect for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Put that script into Virbo and create my avatar video that way. I'll just do a little bit of refining on the script here. Okay, here we have the refined script, and that will be ready to copy and paste into Virbo. Okay, so the training has finished. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a video. I could do widescreen, but to make this super automated and nice and easy, just go straight for portrait mode. And here we are inside the project. So here is the video creation page. It's broken up into our timeline, our script, which we'll work on in a minute. And over on the left, we have different graphics that we can add later on. Okay, and just reposition myself to be in the middle of the frame like so. And this is where we have the script. Now, you'll notice we've got Knightley's voice here.
Welcome to Wondershare Virbo. Generate engaging AI video with...
We don't want that because we want to use my voice that's been cloned. So we should be able to come straight to voiceover, click my voices, and here is my voice. Let's just play that.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
That sounds pretty good. That's pretty close to me. I'm happy with that. So I'll choose that, hit OK. And now the second part of that scripting process I mentioned is we have a built-in AI script here. So let's say I wanted to generate a script from directly within Virbo. I could give it a prompt, and let's put that same prompt in that we used with ChatGPT, and the topic we're going to use is 5 productivity tips for busy professionals. Hit send on that and wait for it to do its magic. Great, that's all done and looking good. Good hook. It just looks a little bit long, so I might just shorten that a little bit. Yeah, that looks about right. And I could rewrite it. I could make it more professional or make it more engaging. Great, let's copy that out. Okay, then simply paste that back in, and that's formatted correctly. So that could be your script. It's saying it goes for 1.5 minutes. However, that might be a little bit shorter. We can play it out and preview it. But before adding any text or visuals, let's go ahead and press preview. Okay, that's ready. It's not lip synced in the preview, but let's hear how it sounds.
Hey, busy professionals, listen up. Are you ready to absolutely dominate your to-do list?
That's perfect. Wow, that's pretty impressive. So close that out. The audio for that script has been built based on this whole script and just that video that I uploaded with my voice included. So that's pretty impressive. Great, we've got our AI avatar, we have our script, we have our voice ready to go on that script. Now it's time to put in captions and graphics. So to enable captions, we'll just come up the top and click subtitles. And we'll keep it centered, and we can choose a caption style to be dynamic. So let's choose this one here. It'll take a while to prime, and we can just play through that. Geez, it looks good. And that green is matching up with the green at the top here perfectly. So that's fantastic. Maybe I want to choose the font to Montserrat, that's my font. Text size is looking good. Moving on. We can then go ahead and put in stickers if we want to be fancy. We can even add music. So let's go with Amazing Show. And yes, let's put that in. Just click use. And you can see on the timeline here, we have that song put in. Now the lip sync again won't be working just yet because that takes processing power, but let's just see a preview.
Hey, busy professionals, listen up. Are you ready to absolutely dominate your to-do list?
Amazing, sounding great. Now, if you did film on a green screen, you can cancel out the background and put in whatever background you like. Maybe it be one of these templates. You can even upload an image that you want yourself. You can even be super fancy and go with one of these templates that we've got set up inside here. Maybe you're doing like a product review or a news story, or even doing an info session about a topic of your choice. As an added bonus, if you wanted to go ahead and put in some AI generated video inside your creation, you could put in a prompt of what you want to see. You'd need to purchase some AI cards to get this to work, or you can just go ahead and upload an image that you've got sitting there on your hard drive. Just before exporting, I'll note that you can do AI translation. So here's the original language. I could select Spanish, and then it will go ahead and translate the script, and then it will even read the script in Spanish. So I would just need to click apply, then that would go into the script, and then when you export the video, it would be spoken in Spanish and lip synced to Spanish. Amazing. Okay, that's ready to go. So all I need to do is click export, and that'll do its magic. Let's come back when it's done. That's all finished up. Let's open it up and play it out.
Hey, busy professionals, listen up. Are you ready to absolutely dominate your to-do list and still have time to indulge in some much needed you time?
Isn't that impressive? That's just a snippet of my AI avatar. The lip sync is about 95% on the mark there. So not quite perfect, but considering it's an AI generated video and AI generated voice, it's pretty impressive. So from here, you can see we are at 1080, 1920. So that is portrait mode. We don't actually have these black bars when we download. So we just need to download that, and that is ready to go for uploading to your channels. Now you remember that when I uploaded this video that I selected do voice cloning as well, but you might find that because you are focusing on looking good in the video, using your hands and expressions in a good way, that maybe the sound of your voice isn't exactly what you wanted. So you can come over to voice cloning and upload a different one. So what I've gone and done is recorded a 90-second script of me just using my voice with big expressions, lots of enthusiasm, and I'm now going to upload that for use in my next video. So I'll select this one. It's been uploaded. We'll create the clone and give it the speaker name of Tim Harris Enthused. English, United States, say English, Australia, so that it's expecting my accent, and use that accent in the videos I produce. Let's click create clone and give it a minute to finish doing that. Okay, that's all good. Okay, let's play that out.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
Okay, that's sounding pretty good. It's just a small sample. Let's see how it plays out later on. Now, the great thing about doing this way is you can actually change a few settings such as speed, pitch, and volume. If you want to take your AI avatar to the absolute next level, then I definitely recommend coming over and using the Advanced Create avatar. You have the option for Light avatar, which gives you an upgraded lip sync, and even Advanced avatar, which gives you even better lip sync. Now that you've created that first video, why don't you take it to the next step and batch save 5 videos in 1 hour using this avatar plus script combo. You can use it to build your personal brand, show up consistently, drive traffic to your website, course, or service. It's perfect for coaches, solopreneurs, marketers, service providers, and creators looking to scale up content without burning out. Okay, let's work through this process and create another short video, this time in landscape format. So we have the avatar and I choose myself. We're gonna go with the voice of myself and this time choose enthused. Okay, and we're going to copy and paste that script in we generated inside ChatGPT. Okay, we'll turn captions on again and we'll use that same caption style we used before. We'll go with that same music track, but this time we're going to turn the volume down just a little bit. Bring it back to about half of that. Let's just play that out real quick.
You can now put text inside AI images.
And it's as simple as that. We've got the AI avatar, we have the updated voice, a different script, we've got some music, captions, we can even put a logo on if we like, and then just press the go button. Okay, that video is finished. Let's play out a section.
You can now put text inside AI images straight from ChatGPT, not over the top.
Great, that sounds even better than before, so that's a big thumbs up from me. If you want great results with Virbo, it all starts by creating a high quality digital twin avatar template of yourself. This isn't the time to cut corners. Don't just upload a selfie or a random clip. To get a convincing, realistic avatar, you need to film a proper video of yourself in a well-lit, quiet environment and follow a few key guidelines. Virbo actually gives you a great summary of filming tips, which you can find the guideline by clicking this link. But I'll summarize the main points in this video. You'll need to record at least 1 to 2 minutes of continuous footage, or 3 or 4 minutes is even better. Shoot in 1080p or higher with a 9:16 or 16:9 aspect ratio, depending on your content style. Real life backgrounds work well, but if you're using a green screen, make sure it's wrinkle free and evenly lit. Using a green screen means you can swap out the background later, but it can sometimes look a bit unnatural. I've filmed clips in studios for this purpose before, but today I'm shooting here in my YouTube studio. When filming, look directly into the camera the whole time. Pause with your lips closed, and avoid unnecessary movement. The avatar's lip sync depends heavily on this footage, so steadiness and clarity make all the difference. Stick to natural and neutral hand gestures, keep your hands below your chest, and don't point or act out specific things such as thumbs up, counting on a finger, because with whatever you record, Virbo will try and loop it exactly as it is in a natural way. So if you give it unnatural hand movements, you're going to see unnatural hand movements in your avatar. Now, as for what to talk about, choose a topic you feel totally comfortable about, something you could explain casually without overthinking. For example, walk through your morning routine, or explain the step-by-step process of getting in your car and driving off. Or describe how you go about your favorite hobby like fishing, skating, or playing guitar. The key is to speak naturally in your own tone like a presenter with steady eye contact throughout. The more familiar and relaxed you are with the content, the better your avatar will turn out. For this tutorial, I picked a topic that I'm passionate about, and that is kite surfing. So choose a topic that you can talk about easily. This is important. So to recap, start with a pro quality avatar template that you record using my guidelines. Use AI for easy script writing, whether that be ChatGPT or the built-in AI script writer. Then generate videos in minutes. So if you want to start using the best AI avatar generator in 2025, then check out Wondershare Virbo. The link's below for those free credits as I mentioned earlier. If you're still not wanting to use your voice in your video content, then watch this video next to see the best AI voice generator for content creators in 2025. Also subscribe to the channel for more AI powered automations for business and life. I'll see you in the next video.